They gathered at the perimeter waiting for my final breath, expecting me to surrender to a premature and quiet death. I locked the heavy mechanism deep inside my chest and turned my entire existence into an unyielding test. No mercy left to harvest and no sympathy to spare. I am watching all their illusions vanish in the thin air. They wanted me to fracture under every heavy weight. Now I am the architect of their immediate fate. Thick smoke, nothing broke, walking through the heavy cloak. Dark night, fading light, keeping every vision tight. Cold breath, like death, running out of borrowed breath. Sharp glass, shadows pass, watching how the empire crashes. Thick smoke, nothing broke, walking through the heavy cloak. Cold breath, like death, running out of borrowed breath. The pavement is an expanse of absolute and frozen stone. They never comprehended what it takes to stand alone. I transform every scar into a monument of lead, ignoring every single empty threat that they have said. Let them howl into the darkness and emotion.